What? That's like reptile skin, isn't it? Look at this, guys. I mean, this is pretty cool. It's like it's breathing. What's up, guys? Supercar Blondie here. This is the BMW Vision Next 100. This is what they picture the next 100 years of BMW to involve. Make sure you join the Supercar Blondie family. Just click the subscribe button because we've got crazy stuff to show you. Let's get straight to it. I don't know if you saw it as it was driving in. Check this out. Christian's just going to drive back for us a tiny bit. Thanks, Christian. And this is mad. This is called a live geometry. So what happens is when he turns the wheel, obviously because this is all enclosed, there needs to be some room here for the wheel to actually turn. So as it turns, this expands and contracts. See how, and then this side is now turning this side. That is one of the coolest features on this car. I'm here at BMW World here in Munich. I flew over here just so that we could take a look at some of their incredible concept cars. All right, come with me, guys. Thank you very much, guys. This is Christian.
You're welcome.
He is the driver of the vehicle. In order to open the doors, it's just a sensor here. You go like this. And obviously, like, I've totally forgotten to point out the obvious, which is it's completely covered in gold. Like, you cannot see inside this car except for the front windscreen. You come over here, open up these doors. Like, look at this. How cool is this? That it's just all one color. There's just no interruption. We'll just open up these ones as well. Sensors like down here. Right. There are some pretty damn cool features on this car. Should we go around to the front seat, actually? Because that's where you're going to see it best. Come around this way. Okay. This has level 4 autonomy, meaning it can drive fully on its own, but if you would like to drive it, you can. So it does have a steering wheel and it has pedals. We can actually make this steering wheel completely disappear if you want it in autonomous mode. That's it. It's gone. All you see is this little bit of the handle here. If you push this here, it will come back out again. And now you're in driving mode. The other cool thing is, when you're in driving mode, all of these lights go red. And you see here at the front, that little diamond here also goes red. Now, why do I point that out? Because if you're in autonomous mode, let's just flip that over again. See, this diamond comes out here, and this light here on the front actually starts to flick. Because if you're a pedestrian, right, or if you're another car on the road, you want to know when a car next to you is driving in autonomous mode and a person is not in control of the car. So they've done that for safety reasons, so everyone can be a little bit more cautious around these cars, because let's be honest, this is all still quite new technology over the last few years, and we are going to be seeing fully autonomous cars driving on the roads in, you know, a matter of years. These little triangle shapes here on the dash, you won't believe what they do. Look at that! What That's like reptile skin, isn't it? I mean, this is pretty cool. What? Why does it do this? Because it's warning you of an object on the road that maybe you can't see. They're like the coolest features in here. Obviously 4 seats, you've got quite like wide bucket seats in the back. This is kind of a theme that you see a lot in these autonomous cars that we're looking to in the future, just these massive kind of lounge chair seats, because that's what the feeling that they want you to get is like sitting in your living room, but you're actually just being driven to the next place. Okay, just before we go, come check this out. This is the back. Just look at these wings as they come up. It's like, it looks so cool. I love these doors. And this also changes when you're in self-driving mode and autonomous. It changes to white, you see. Okay, all right. Give us a quick thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the family, Supercar Blondie. Thank you very, very much for joining me. A massive thank you to BMW for inviting me here to Munich and taking this Vision Next 100 out for us here in the garage just to be able to show you. They did it for us. So a massive, massive thank you to them. And I'm gonna see you somewhere else in the world with the next crazy, crazy car. Love ya, I'm out.